Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Windows PC. And in today's video, I will show you on how to check VRAM size of any graphics card display on your Windows PC. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is come down below right here on your startup menu, right click on it, go ahead and click on run. And this dialog here is going to pop up. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and type in into this particular dialog box right here. Type in DXIAG, then go ahead and hit on OK. And then in a few minutes, this dialog box here is going to pop up right here, just like so. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and navigate to display right here. Then once you click on display, then you have your display memory, which is also known as VRAM size, which is about 128 megabytes for this particular PC. From your own end, it might be another size, as the case may be. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Windows PC, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.